Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can add something to library. So let's say that I got application here, right? And to create a folder or to move the application to folder, you just take it and you just move it and you will automatically create a folder, right? And like this is how you destroy the folder. So I'll just move it and I will just insert it here. And voila, and I can simply move it as much as I want. So this is how we do it, and this is how we can organize the folder. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. But this is how we can create folder, how we can manage folder, and etc. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.